911. This is really funny. Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I'm Sawyer Boyd, and this is my bike check. Dang. Okay, so I run the terrible one, Ruben barcode. Wait, fuck, dude. Damn it. So I run the terrible one, Ruben. It's a 2011.
I feel like we should have filmed that.
I like the mellow head tube. It has a 74-degree head tube, and it's really mellow in bowls and feels really good.
Okay.
I have the terrible one bars, 8.25. They're pretty sweet. They're not that tall, and I like lower front ends. They're pretty sweet. And I run the Odyssey R32 forks. It's just like any other forks. There's nothing special about them. Limited sale for like 2 payments of $19.99.
Oh, these forks?
Or just be like, neat. I got my new.
Never done this. Learn it. I run the Gary Young Principal Odyssey seat. It's grippy because I like to do hang nothings, even though I never land that trick. Wait. I ride Odyssey hubs to 7K rims. Odyssey Twan bolts because I can't afford Thunderbolts. The terrible one, Logan Run Sprocket. Fuck, dude. Got the text message. Bitches be calling. Riding. Yeah, bud. Oh yeah. Yeah, look, I'm getting like some weird allergic reaction to this new. It's just right there though. Isn't that weird? It's the scariest thing ever.
Huh, what?
You didn't have any because you're being a bitch and you don't drink black coffee.
Oh yeah, I've seen the